Good afternoon, guys. I hope everyone is in a good health, and once again it's a new day and a new life. Now, as you can see, I'm on my street triple today, and after a very long time. I'm so glad that I'm riding this bike after ages, I can say. Today we have a meetup at the Triumph showroom, and from there we are going to a cafe. You might have seen my previous vlogs that I have a new member in my family. That's an Adventure 390. Now I wanted to tell you something. I know most of the riders face this kind of an issue and their experiences also. So now what exactly it is, let me show it to you. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so when you're on a super bike like this, or street naked, or any random street naked like a KTM 390 FZ, or you can go with Kawasaki, Honda, or a Suzuki, the riding posture is little bit aggressive, like you're leaning towards the bike, and once you get used to that, your body adapts to it. And then as soon as you add a new member to your family, like an adventure, like a enduro kind of a bike, okay, like the handle position is really different as compared to these street nakeds. Now everyone knows how it feels, okay. You are in a very relaxed manner. The posture of your body is completely straight, and the position, you feel really comfortable. You feel in the bike, and your handlebars are raised like this, so you don't have any kind of fatigue. And that's the reason why adventures are the best. Reason being, you can cruise extra miles without any pain. And the problem here lies, like when you're riding an adventure for a very long time and then switching back to a street naked, any random bike, it's a super bike or a mid-segment bike or a 200cc segment bike, I can tell you, you will experience problems. The handlebars are short on the street naked, and the adventures have a broad handlebar. Relaxed ergonomics on the adventures. You also have a relaxed ergonomics on this as well, but not as compared to the adventure. And that's the reason why you'll start having pains on your shoulders, your wrist, your arms, everywhere, and sometimes in your back as well. And that is what I am facing these days, because from past 1 week since the bike has come, I've been riding the adventure. Reason being, first is the rain, and most importantly, I don't like to get my super bike, that's the street triple, dirty. I don't feel like getting it dirty. So I had decided that I will ride less on the rain, and when there's winter and summer, I will enjoy it to the fullest. So guys, keep watching the video as I'm now heading towards the Triumph showroom. So we'll see you in a bit. Bye. Alright, couple of yards more and we have reached the Triumph showroom. Okay, we'll just go ahead and park the bike, and there it is. So guys, finally we are heading towards the meeting zone where all the Triumph riders are gonna meet. as mentioned. So I'm not riding alone. My friends from Triumph, they are also joining me. As you can see, one of them is on the Speed Triple 1200 and the other one is on the Sports, the Tiger Sports 850. What a ride this is gonna be, man. I'm loving it. So I will not be speaking much, rather than enjoy riding with the Triumph guys. And these guys are fast, man. Now riding on a speed bikes like this, and that too this heavy traffic, it's so tiring, man. But nevertheless, so we are a league of different nation altogether. This is the patch which we like. So that seems to be an awesome ride we had with our friends, and an awesome party. Basically we had a coffee meet, and I have the Speed with me right now. So that's my buddy Shubham on the Speed 1200 RS. Look at the way he's taking that bike, man. Whoa. Alright, so guys, I guess hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and share your comments and like it. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. That is R_NISHI7. And please do feel free to comment. We'd love to reply you back. See you. Take care. Love you. Bye bye.